From Spain and Portugal, where massive power outage has been reported in several of the cities, and this has disrupted critical infrastructure. There are reports in the local media that services, train stations, airports have also been impacted. Let's go across to Disha for more. And Disha, give us more details of what's happening. And there are reports that slowly, power is coming back in some places.
Right, Gargi. So, various cities in Spain, Portugal, and even southern France were affected by a major power outage. And now, as you mentioned, there are reports that the power is back in certain areas, but the power outage and the blackout remains in various parts of these countries as well. And this has severely affected the transport as well as telecommunications, hospitals, airports, and trains. So, in terms of the blackout, one of the reasons that is being speculated of the behind this outage is a fire which has disrupted a high voltage power line in southern France, but it is yet to be ascertained whether this was the main reason or there were other reasons. In fact, Spanish national security committees and departments are also speculating that a hacking could have been a reason behind this power outage, but all of the main cause behind it remains unclear. But the electrical companies, some of the main electrical companies in Portugal and Spain are now saying that they are working to restore power, and in some cities the power has already been restored. But this is quite a developing story, and in fact millions in these cities in Spain, Portugal and southern France have been affected by this massive blackout that is quite rare to witness in Europe.